The afternoon sun of Culiacán beat down, but within the walls of the guest house, a profound sense of tranquility prevailed. The journey began at the threshold, where the sleek, uncompromising lines of the modern structure came into view. Designed by Pedro Gaxiola, Estudio, and Hermann Tamayo, Arquitectos, the home was a steady and elegant contrast. Its L-shaped layout, a bold statement of concrete and rugged gray San Andrés stone slabs, seemed to turn its back on the outside world, creating a private embrace around a verdant inner garden. The raw, cool materials were softened by the lush greenery, the play of shadows, and the promise of a hidden oasis that lay just beyond the front door. Stepping inside, the stark exterior gave way to an interior filled with light and warmth. The living volume, a seamless flow of spaces, was a tribute to open-plan living. The stylish kitchen, dining area, and living room were all arranged in perfect harmony, their collective focus drawn to a singular, magnificent view. A wall of glass framed a picturesque, tree-lined pedestrian path, blurring the line between the comfort of the indoors and the life of the street outside. Natural light cascaded across the polished floors, highlighting the inviting textures of the furnishings and infusing the minimalist aesthetic with a welcoming glow. This was a home designed not just for shelter, but for connection, a space where every moment was lived with a stunning backdrop. At the heart of the residence, the L-shape created a sun-drenched terrace that was a destination in itself. Here, a sparkling pool offered a refreshing respite from the Sinaloan heat, and the surrounding garden created a serene atmosphere for both quiet contemplation and lively gatherings. The deliberate use of concrete continued, forming clean lines that guided the eye, while the organic forms of plants and trees softened the geometry. This was the true soul of the house, a sanctuary where the man-made and the natural existed in perfect equilibrium. The guest house wasn't merely a place to stay, it was an experience, a living piece of art that demonstrated the power of design to create a beautiful, harmonious retreat. Before you go, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below and let us know what you thought of today's video and what you'd like to see us explore next. Your feedback helps us create content that you'll love. And remember, every journey starts with a single step. Whether it's a new hobby, a trip to a new place, or just learning something new, the world is full of amazing things waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.